Hey there! Are you looking for a way to boost your income during your free time? Have you thought of producing and promoting online courses on websites like Udemy and YouTube? It's a fantastic method to generate passive income using your expertise and abilities. The best part is that you don't have to be an expert in any one profession. ChatGPT makes building a course simpler than ever. And in this video, I'll demonstrate how selling online courses on Udemy and YouTube may generate passive revenue of up to $500 every day. You might be asking how much money I can make by selling online courses, so let's get that out of the way first. The topic you select and the amount of effort you're willing to put in will determine how much work you have to put in. But first, let's check at the homepage of Udemy to get an idea. There, we can see how well paid their bestsellers are. For instance, this instructor has over 459,000 reviews at a cost of $25 a piece, totaling more than $11 million. Udemy does receive a portion of this, but it's still a sizable sum of money. How do you pick a subject that is in high demand? Research is the first and most crucial phase in the process. Visit udemy.com and look through the categories. Look at the most popular categories and pick a subject that interests you and that you are aware is in demand. Create an Udemy account, for instance, and check the meditation and mindfulness category to see whether the topic is popular, like for example, if you're interested in health and fitness. To see if this topic is in high demand, create a Udemy account. Switch to the instructor mode and go to Tools, then select Marketplace Insights. Enter Mindfulness. And as we can see, the highest monthly revenue is just over $2,000, demonstrating the popularity of this subject. But keep in mind to maximize your earnings. You want to pick a subject that has a lot of interest and at least average to little competition. In this manner, your course will stand out and your chances of selling it will be better. Additionally, picking a subject that interests you is important because it will make developing the course more interesting. Your course will be more helpful to students if you are knowledgeable about the subject. Once you've decided on a topic, ChatGPT can assist you in developing your course. For instance, I decided to write on goal setting. I asked ChatGPT to create an outline for me for an online goal setting course, and in less than a minute, I got the entire course layout. If you keep doing this for each and every bullet point, ChatGPT will create the entire course for you. But keep in mind that you should revise and review the script before using it. Ensure that your writing is in your own voice and that everything you say makes sense. Don't forget that Udemy offers free advice on how to build a course as well. As a result, be sure to read those also. They will be quite helpful in differentiating your course. All you need to do is record the video, edit it, and post it to Udemy once the course is done. There are several YouTube tutorials available that can show you how to edit the video if you don't feel comfortable doing it. Or, if you'd rather, you can pay someone to do it for you on Fiverr. Keep in mind that your course will earn you more money over time, the better it is. A fantastic strategy to get passive income is to create and market online courses on Udemy. It's a long-term investment that may be quite profitable, particularly if you pick a subject that both interests you and has a large demand. And building a course is now simpler than ever using ChatGPT. You only need to have some knowledge and the desire to impart it to others. You don't need to be a specialist in any one field. Additionally, you can produce numerous courses on other themes to increase your passive revenue. The fact that the business strategy for selling online courses on Udemy is scalable is another fantastic feature. You can make as much money as you want once your course is created by selling it to as many students as you like. Additionally, you may continually update and improve your course to keep it current and draw in additional students. YouTube is an additional option for ChatGPT to earn money. A faceless YouTube video will be written, edited, and produced by us using AI. I'll use ChatGPT to write the script. Asking ChatGPT to write a script for the YouTube concept you have in mind is all that is needed. But for this particular example, I asked GPT to create a 5-minute YouTube script for a video about the safest locations for solo travelers. And as you can see, GPT is working on drafting the entire script for us, and you don't need to film yourself in making this YouTube channel. The longest portion of the process will be this. Therefore, it's great that we have this tool at our fingertips to cut down on the time it takes to write the script. That complete YouTube script has been written for us by ChatGPT. The opening line of the script reads, "Hello travelers, welcome back to our channel. Planning your first solo trip can be intimidating. We have Iceland, as well as Japan, New Zealand, the Czech Republic, and others that are excellent choices for travelers traveling alone, and so on. If you wanted to make any of these specific portions longer, you could do so by copying them, putting them into ChatGPT, and asking him to do them one by one. You can see that ChatGPT will extend the paragraph for you. As a result, expanding your material is incredibly simple for you, as you can see. You may utilize ChatGPT to enlarge it whichever much you'd like before deleting any material you don't want to be included in that video. For the purposes of this illustration, we can duplicate this paragraph, return to our script, and then discuss Iceland. This can be pasted in here. So once more, using ChatGPT, it's pretty simple for you to obtain a lengthy and in-depth script. You may do it for any part of your script. Therefore, paste that in here if you want to expand the section that discusses Japan. As you can see in the chat, however, we'll go ahead and expand that passage for you. I discovered that you really don't receive that long of content when you ask ChatGPT to generate you a full-length YouTube script or a blog post all at once. But you can get much larger pieces of content if you divide it up and ask ChatGPT to generate 2 specific sections or build on specific portions of the first content. The next step is to duplicate your YouTube script and go to Pictory once you've extended it and are satisfied with the whole script. The program we'll be utilizing to convert our script into a video is called Pictory. One of the best script-to-video programs available, in my opinion, is made to be extremely user-friendly and intuitive. If you want to test it out, Pictory offers a free trial. Therefore, there are a few ways to convert your content into videos while you're on Pictory. You can add images or text to your videos when editing them. However, we'll be utilizing the script-to-video template for this example. To begin, click Proceed, and then enter the name of your video. Next, paste the complete script for your YouTube video here. I've already typed the script into a Google document, so I'll copy it and paste it into Pictory. This will display the number of characters. We can also check the spelling. After pasting your script, move on to choosing your video style, which is the following step. There are several different video formats available on Pictory, including animation, live action, and whiteboard. Let's assume that we have chosen the animated style as, for example. To perfectly reflect your brand and aesthetic, Pictory gives you the ability to totally personalize the appearance and feel of your video. You can move on to the next stage, which is giving your video music and sound effects. You can pick from a selection of royalty-free music and sound effects at Pictory. You can import your own music and sound effects if you'd prefer to utilize those instead. You can preview your video and make any last-minute tweaks after adding the music and sound effects before exporting it. The procedure of exporting the video is simple. You can upload your video to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice after it has been exported. Let's sum up by saying that ChatGPT is an effective tool for writing interesting scripts for YouTube videos and other content. Using ChatGPT with Pictory can save you a ton of time and work when producing quality videos for your YouTube channel, whether you're a lone entrepreneur or a member of a larger team. Pictory can turn your script into a video in a flash. So give it a shot and see if it can't assist you in producing more interesting and expert videos for your channel. So why are you still waiting? Begin your research on well-liked subjects and use ChatGPT to assist you in developing your course. You can start making passive income online in no time with a little work and commitment. And who knows? You might even make it your full-time job and lead the life you've always wanted. Guys, the next thing I want you to do is to press the like button and subscribe to the channel in appreciation, because I've got some more fantastic stuff heading your way. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Also, don't hesitate to leave your feedback or suggestions in the comments section below. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. This is That AI Ninja signing off.